news out of Moore, Oklahoma. The state medical officer has lowered the death toll from that deadly twister almost in half. At least 24 people died, including 7 children. Today, President Obama offered his condolences and assistance to the community of Moore, Oklahoma.
And what they can be certain of is that Americans from every corner of this country will be right there with them, opening our homes, our hearts to those in need, because we're a nation that stands with our fellow citizens as long as it takes.
The president also gave Oklahoma access to federal funds to help the victims of that massive storm. ABC's Marcia Gonzalez is in the community of Moore, Oklahoma, reporting there from live from Moore, Oklahoma. She joins us right now with the latest on the devastation from that tornado which hit that community of Moore, Oklahoma.
Good afternoon. This is what it looks like across much of Moore, Oklahoma. Brick homes toppled to the ground. This hospital with its facade and much of its top floor ripped off. Everyone there survived, but elsewhere others weren't so fortunate. The monster twister tore a path of destruction about 12 miles long, flattening entire neighborhoods, destroying homes, and leaving at least 24 people dead.
Oh my God, that thing is getting huge.
The National Weather Service says an EF4 twister packing wind speeds up to 200 miles per hour touched down in Moore, Oklahoma.
Oh my God!
It was dismissal time for the town's elementary schools, with students preparing to meet their parents when the tornado hit. Many of them sought shelter in closets, bathrooms, clinging to one another for support.
I had them take their backpacks and put them over their heads.
When the tornado passed, Briarwood Elementary School was wiped to its foundation, but miraculously, everyone there survived.
We were told to get in our tornado precaution systems, but then they moved us to the boys and girls bathroom.
But at Plaza Towers, much more devastation. Teachers and rescuers digging children from the rubble and carrying them to safety. Moore resident Jason Leger rushed his family into a storm cellar as he videotaped this tornado that would destroy his home. His family is safe, but Leger says his kids were terrified.
They had tears streaming. They were trying to keep it together.
But despite the death and devastation, Oklahoma's governor vows the state will bounce back.
Oklahoma has gone through this a couple of times, and we're resilient, strong, courageous people.
24 people killed, more than 240 others injured. Many of those who were able to walk away from this tornado are back here today trying to salvage what little they can from the rubble that used to be their homes. We're live in Moore, Oklahoma. Marcia Gonzalez, ABC News. Now back.